So, um, let's dive into this Marine Surety registration page concept. It's essentially a platform where users can securely sign up for personalized insurance solutions and manage their policies with ease by inputting details like
Yes,
first name, last name, email, and then setting up their password.
right. And it's interesting how they prompt users to confirm their password and then agree to multiple policies like the privacy policy, terms of service, cancellation policy, and even an insurance policy.
Exactly. And what's cool is how they also offer an option to register with Google, which streamlines the process for those who
Yeah,
prefer a
yeah.
one click solution. It's clearly designed to reduce friction for the user.
That definitely helps in increasing signups. But I find it intriguing um, how they manage cookie consents. The page repeats the message about using cookies and tracking technologies to enhance the user experience, which is quite transparent.
Oh, absolutely. It's like it's like they want you to know that the site uses these technologies on your mobile site, website, or even apps to personalize the experience.
Right.
It's all about customization nowadays.
I do wonder, though, if the repeated cookie consent messages might overwhelm or confuse a user. It seems like a bit much, don't you think?
That's a fair point. Perhaps it could use a little more consolidation, but on the flip side, it really emphasizes user consent and transparency, something we definitely need in today's digital landscape without
Yeah,
compromising on
exactly.
clarity.
For sure. And the call to action is pretty strong. Register, join us, and secure your future today. Sounds like they're laying on the urgency and benefits quite nicely.
Yeah, it speaks to the security aspect while also aligning with the insurability focus. They really want potential users to feel that joining will secure their future, which is a unique angle when it comes to insurance.
Yep,
It's
indeed.
like a blend of assurance and tech savviness.
And let's not forget, there's also the login prompt for returning users. It creates a smooth transition for both new and existing customers.
True. It ensures that if someone already has an account, they're not forced into creating yet another one. This shows that the design caters to different user scenarios, which is clever.
Yeah.
It's all about the user journey.
Overall, it strikes a balance between modern design and practical user workflows, even if some elements could be streamlined further in terms of repeated messages.
Yes, that's definitely a point for improvement, but the foundation is strong. The registration process is straightforward, and it clearly emphasizes security and compliance with legal policies, which is critical in this space.
Right,
It
absolutely.
really does set the stage for a secure user future.
It's been quite a detailed look at a seemingly simple registration page, yet it exposes all these subtle layers of user experience and data safety.
Exactly. And it's a reminder that even the most basic pages are packed with critical decisions about user trust and convenience. It's been a
Indeed.
fascinating discussion.